Welcome! Today, I'll walk you through how to turn on direct message notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the PC app after the new update. If you've stopped receiving alerts for your messages, or you just installed the latest version, this quick guide will help you fix it in no time. First, open the X app on your computer. Once it's loaded, look to the left side menu where you'll see several icons. Click on Notifications. This is where all your alerts, likes, mentions, and follows normally show up. Next, at the top right corner of your notifications page, you'll find a Settings option. Click on it to access your notification controls. The recent update slightly changed the layout, so things might look a bit different from what you remember. After entering Settings, click on Preferences. This section manages how and when you get notified about certain activities on your account. From there, select Push Notifications. This is the category that controls which types of notifications you receive directly from the app, even when you're not scrolling. Inside Push Notifications, scroll down until you see a section titled Related to You and Your Posts. Under that, you'll find an option for direct messages. Make sure the checkbox or toggle beside direct messages is turned on. Once it's enabled, you'll start receiving instant alerts every time someone messages you. Take a moment to check that other key notifications are also active if you don't want to miss mentions, replies, or repost alerts. When you've confirmed everything looks right, you can exit the Settings menu. And that's it. You've successfully turned on direct message notifications on X for PC. From now on, you'll never miss another message waiting in your inbox. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear and simple tech how-tos. Thanks for watching.